welcome back to my channel Venkata Circuit Vibes. In this video, we'll see some of the topics where easy students can do major projects. Okay, in which field they can do their major projects. So first field is VLSI. Okay, VLSI system design. You can design any architectures. Okay, any system architect SOCs. Okay, under this RAM architectures, testing any topic, the system design. Either you can write Verilog code or VHDL code, or you can design uh, a schematic level using CMOS technologies. Okay, on the backend tool called Cadence or anything. So big scope will be there in this. Okay, you can design any of your system. Okay, this is the first topic. This is more advanced. Okay, take anything and use it. You can use what you say, design for testability. Also concepts for that, and you can write the code, Verilog code or HDL code. This is the first topic. Uh, Second is generally most students will do under embedded system applications. Okay, so they will take what you say, any real-time problem. Okay, which is existing, and that real-time problem they will solve using your basic architecture using the embedded systems. Means the hardware part generally will be the processors will be doing, and they will try to mm, implement using that system any real-time applications. Okay, so this topic is done mostly by many of the CSE students or EC students. Then third one is the DSP, that is digital signal processing. Okay, using the DSP chips, generally image processing, audio processing, anything you can do under DSP using the tool called MATLAB. Yeah, this is also very useful. You can do using that MATLAB software any applications under embedded also. Embedded system with IoT. Many applications you can do using this MATLAB software. Okay, so these three are common. Next one is the antenna design. This is very useful. You can design any antenna design for the 5D technologies. How to design an antenna? Okay, multi-ray antennas you can design using the tools. Okay, this is also under RF section. This is also very good topic. Then under the core field we have this nanotechnology, which is generally under quantum. Quantum computing is coming, which is where the technology is changing. The basic core earlier was based on silicon. Now it has will be doing all this under quantum technologies. Okay, so this is the basic device type, device modeling. And latest now all applications generally are under AI and ML. So you can list out any application under this and write using the Python code how to solve any real-time application using AI and ML. Okay, here you using embedded systems. You can also use AI and ML applications for where you use the Python software code, and you write and you design the AI and AI and ML. Okay, so generally these are latest these three antennas, nano, you try